C was created by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. It was designed to build operating systems, including Unix. Its simplicity and power shaped almost every language that came after it. If you understand C, you understand how computers really work. C++ was created by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1985. It extended C with object-oriented features. The goal was simple: more structure without sacrificing speed. That balance made C++ essential for performance-critical software. Java was created by James Gosling in 1995. It was designed to run on any device using the Java Virtual Machine. This idea changed how software was distributed across platforms. Stability and portability became Java's greatest strengths. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Its goal was clarity and simplicity. Python was designed so humans could read code as easily as machines. That philosophy made Python one of the most loved languages in the world. JavaScript was created by Brendan Eich in 1995. It was built in just 10 days to add interactivity to web pages. That small script language eventually became the backbone of the modern web. PHP was created by Rasmus Lerdorf in 1994. It started as a set of scripts to track website visitors. What began as a personal tool became a language powering millions of websites.